Ever wondered how a cat named Whiskers turned a simple day into a language adventure? I'm Charlotte, your guide at Taletutor. Hit subscribe to join our language journey. Ready to discover a friendly cat named Whiskers? Let's dive in. Topic: a friendly cat named Whiskers.
Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was a friendly cat named Whiskers. Whiskers loved to explore the colorful gardens and chase butterflies under the warm sun. One day, while meandering through the village, Whiskers encountered a curious group of children. The children were thrilled to meet Whiskers, and they giggled as they petted his soft fur. Whiskers, in turn, purred contentedly, enjoying the attention. The children, eager to communicate with Whiskers, practiced simple phrases like "Hello, Whiskers," and "Nice to meet you." As they spent time together, the children discovered new words to describe Whiskers' actions. Was happy, he would purr, and when he was playful, he would chase after fallen leaves. The children enthusiastically practiced saying, "Whiskers is happy," and "Look, he's playful." In this charming encounter, both Whiskers and the children expanded their vocabulary. The children's joyful exclamations and Whiskers' friendly nature created a heartwarming language lesson for everyone involved. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Join our growing community of language enthusiasts. Ready to dive into a world of words? Let's make learning English an exciting journey together. Vocabulary and phrases with examples: meandering, meandering, moving slowly in no particular direction. Example: Whiskers enjoyed meandering through the colorful gardens, exploring every corner at his own pace. Encountered, encountered, came across or met unexpectedly. Example: while meandering, Whiskers encountered a curious group of children, leading to an unexpected but delightful meeting. Purred, purred, made a soft, vibrating sound, indicating contentment. Example: as the children petted him, Whiskers purred contentedly, expressing his happiness and comfort. Eager, eager, excited or enthusiastic. Example: the children were eager to communicate with Whiskers, expressing their excitement to interact with the friendly cat. Enthusiastically, enthusiastically, with great excitement and interest. Example: the children enthusiastically practiced new phrases, demonstrating their keen interest and energy in learning. Charming, charming, delightful and pleasing. Example: the encounter with Whiskers turned out to be a charming experience, leaving everyone with warm and delightful memories. Heartwarming, heartwarming, producing a feeling of warmth and affection. Example: the language lesson with Whiskers was a heartwarming experience, creating a sense of warmth and connection among the learners. Curious, curious, eager to know or learn something. Example: Whiskers encountered a curious group of children who wanted to play, showing their eagerness to learn about the friendly cat. Contentedly, contentedly, in a satisfied and happy manner. Example: Whiskers purred contentedly as the children gave him attention, showing that he was satisfied and happy in their company. Exclamation, exclamations, sudden and forceful expressions of emotion. Example: the children's joyful exclamations filled the air as they played with Whiskers, expressing their excitement and happiness. Now, a little quiz for you. What word describes Whiskers' stroll through the garden? Is it dancing, meandering, or sprinting? Drop your answer in the comments. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. The correct answer is meandering. Great job if you got it right. If not, no worries. It's all part of the learning process. Subscribe for more interactive language adventures. I'm Charlotte, signing off. Happy learning.